Oh, she dropped it. We'll give her some motivation. Orange.
How come the elephant gets fed and you guys aren't feeding me? No Feastables, no nothing?
Can we get some Feastables?
Less talking, more painting. Eat this.
I hope it's not chocolate. I'm allergic.
Huh? All right, 5 minutes left, Trevor.
Yes, yes. Can I get my Bob Ross wig?
He's locking in.
Bob Floss right here.
Well, let's clutch up. Let's go. We can't lose to this guy. Oh, yes. Good girl.
How much time do I have?
4 minutes.
Hey, time's ticking, Bob Ross. Yeah, right now that is a yellow blob.
No.